Hi student, how are you today? I hope you are okay, you are fine, you are well, you are super. Okay student, today we will study about Unit 6 Microsoft Excel. You can see here Microsoft Excel. And especially today, we will study about opening Microsoft Excel application, some important terms in Microsoft Excel, and inserting text, number, and formula. Okay student, we continue to the next slide. Okay, at this. How to start Microsoft Excel? You can double click on the Microsoft Excel icon on desktop. If you have the icon on your desktop, you can double click or right click and open. Or you can click on start button and Microsoft and search Microsoft Excel. Cari Microsoft Excel. Or you can also click on searching box Windows. You type searching here Excel, so have Microsoft Excel and click and click or enter. You click. Okay, that's the way how to open Microsoft Excel on your computer or laptop. Continue to the next slide. Okay, you can see this one. Worksheet, workbook, and the definition of workbook. Okay, be back. You can see worksheet. This is sheet 1, sheet 2, and sheet 3. So the name is worksheet. Namanya worksheet. Don't be confused again. What is worksheet? You can see here the names of worksheet. Yang namanya worksheet itu adalah head here, in down yang di bawah ya kid. And then now workbook. Workbook, each Excel file is known as workbook. Itu biasanya file yang ada di Excel namanya workbook. Can hold many worksheet, yang mana di dalamnya so many worksheet. Kamu tahu tadi this is worksheet number 1, sheet 1, sheet 2, and sheet 3. And the default workbook is book 1. Usually when you open the new file of Microsoft Excel, itu biasanya book 1. Dia biasanya namanya book 1. Okay, now we continue. Still some important terms in Microsoft Excel. Row and the definition row and column. You know column. Column are arranged vertical. Look at this kid. Vertical. B. Column A, column B, column C. Jadi dari atas sampai bawah. Ini vertical. So it mean is column. Itu namanya column. And now row. Row are arranged horizontally. These are numbered from 1 to 1,048,000, 48,576. So many kid. Jadi row adalah horizontal. Kalau tadi kolom vertikal, up and down, atas bawah. Kalau dia row horizontal, dari sisi kiri sampai kanan. And you must know jumlah daripada row 1.048.507. Wow, so many. So many kid. Still some important term in Microsoft Excel. Masih istilah-istilah penting dalam Microsoft Excel. Okay, now have cell. Cell, you can see this. Cell ini. Jadi cell itu setiap kotak intersection of row and column. Jadi di antara bagian kolom sama row itu ada kotak-kotak kecil seperti ini, namanya cell. And then cell reference. Cell reference or cell address, alamat cell. You can see here. This is namanya cell reference. Ini tertulis ada alamat yang aktif. Jadi nama box ini adalah cell reference. the column letter and row number that identify a single cell. Ya, you can see here. Nah, ini kolom A dan baris 1. So A1. Ya, that's the cell reference. Okay, still important, some important terms in Microsoft Excel. Yeah. Now cell range. Yeah, just now already study about cell. Now cell rings. Cell rings itu collection of cell, okay? Collection of continuous cell selected. Jadi cell yang di select itu beberapa, ya, more than one, itu namanya cell rings. Jadi yang terblok ini namanya cell rings, ya, you can see. Ya, ini namanya cell rings yang terblok. Okay, now active cell, the selected cell called active cell. Ya, yang aktif itu biasanya warnanya, ya, warna bordernya berbeda, kid. Ya, itu namanya active. Itu active cell. You can see this. Ya, beda dengan sel yang lain. Okay, continue to the next slide. Okay, still some important term. Masih banyak, ya, kid, important term in Microsoft Excel. Okay, name box, ya, name box, ya. Ini name boxnya ini adalah nama kotaknya ini, ya. Display the cell reference of active. Jadi tadi name box itu adalah menunjukkan, ya, display the cell reference active, menunjukkan yang aktif, A1, ya. Ini adalah di name box itu menunjukkan sel yang aktif. Cell pointer itu adalah seperti ini, kid. Ya, mouse pointer kita di dalam Microsoft Excel seperti ini. Formula bar, ya, you can see here. Ini ada fx dan sini ada bar. Ini adalah namanya formula bar. When you want to type the formula, you can type here, kid. Atau ya, kamu bisa melihat formula juga di sini, ya, kid. Formula bar. Okay, now inserting text or number. Example, you type IB school on your cell, yeah. So if you want to cancel, you can click this one, hit cancel. But if you want to enter, and that's right, you can click this one. And the next, when you want to insert function, ya, formula, rumus tadi, kit, ya, you can click this one, ya. Ya. Okay, the formula may consist of. Formula itu biasanya terdiri dari, ya, bisa menggunakan equal 5 plus 7, ya, ini value, ya, ini hanya berisikan nilai, ya. And then combination of number and cell address, bisa kombinasi, ya, gabungan number dan cell address, ya. Cell addressnya ini A1 plus 3, ya, kid, ya, itu namanya combination of number and cell address. And the next, only cell addresses, ya, dia berisikan hanya cell addresses. For example, equal D2 plus E2. Okay, kid, enough. Now we continue to practice, kid. I open please Excel. Saya buka Excelnya. Okay, student, in here have, ya, you can see, ya, this is cell active, this one, and you can see here name box, ya, D5, and you can see also this is cell reference atau cell address, and you know this is row, and you know this is this is column, student, ya, vertical, and this is row horizontal, and this is have cancel, and this is right, and this is formula. This is sheet, kit. If you want to add the new sheet, just click this one, ya. Nah, Click again. Okay, that's how to add new sheet. And workbook, book kita adalah book 1. Inilah namanya tadi workbook. Okay, student. Example tadi formulanya ya, student. Kita bisa langsung equal di 7 plus 8. Enter. Okay, tengok. Okay. You can see that 15, 15. Or you can use the formula equal. Kalau misalnya gunakan equal, the example kita choose this. You can see here D3 ya, D3 okay, plus 5 the example ya, kita kombinasi cell address and value ya, okay? Ya 20 okay? And can also we use cell address all ya, equal, click this one and plus click this one. Okay, you can see this here. Look at this. Nah, ya ini semuanya cell address, okay? Alamat selnya yang dibuat. Okay, can ya kid, kita enter ya 35. Okay, kid, that's kombinasi antara kombinasi antara value dan cell address. Ini semuanya value, nilai atau angka, dan ini semuanya cell address. Okay, student, that's our lesson today. I hope you understand about our lesson today. Opening Microsoft Excel application, some important term in Microsoft Excel, inserting text, number, and formula. Okay, student, don't forget to study hard at home. Nice to see you again. Thank you for your attention. See you. Bye-bye.